Okay, today we're learning about electron configuration. It's going to look a little bit weird to you at first. We do have areas within the electron cloud where electrons are located, so you can form bonds and have chemical reactions, so that's what we're learning about here. So first of all, we have number one, potassium, and we need to know, if anybody remembers their definitions from last time, raise your hand if you know how many electrons potassium has. Or what the atomic number is. You're looking in the right place. Which one? 19. Okay. So this is atomic number 19. So it has 19 total electrons. Okay, now I labeled this on your chart. We've got the S sublevels with 2 electrons, the P's with 6, the D's with 10, and the F's with 14. You guys saw this a little bit. You saw a preview of it in a video here. The way that you follow this chart, and I can actually show you how to follow it off the periodic table next, you follow like this. You go to the right and up, go to the right and up, go to the right and up. So the arrows, it's like the first arrow, second arrow, third arrow, fourth arrow. So what we would do for potassium is the first 2 electrons would be in the 1s, 1s2. It looks like it's squared, but it's not squared. It's 2 electrons located in the 1s. Next is the 2s, which also has 2 electrons. The exponents represent the electrons. So those are our first 4 electrons out of 19. We've got 15 more to go. We keep going until we stop. Does anybody know what's after 2s at this point? Raise your hand if you think you know, Matt.
2p.
We are going to 2p, right? So we go 1s, 2s, 2p next, which can hold up to 6. So we have 2p6, and that is our first 10 electrons. 2 plus 2 plus 6 is 10.
Yay.
Okay.
Where's the video?
Where's the video?
Yes.
We are making a video now. So after 2p, raise your hand if you know what goes next.
3s.
3s, very good. How many go there?
6, 2.
2, very good. That's our first 12 electrons. There is a purpose for this. So once you learn how to do this, then we can learn about what it's used for. After the 3s2, what's next?
3p6.
Yes, 3p6. Okay, very good. And now, does anybody know how many total electrons we have?
No.
18. 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 is 18 out of 19. So now, what is next? What's after the 3p? No?
3p.
4s.
4s, good. And this time, how many do I put in the 4s?
1.
Good. So that, the exponents add up to 19 electrons. Question or no?
Yeah, how do you get this?
How do you get that?
How do you like 4s?
Okay, you have, because there's only 1 electron left. Okay, we have 18 electrons here, and then we've got, this is the 19th one. Okay, so now, do you know how many electrons vanadium has?
What?
Vanadium, which is in the middle of the
23.
periodic table. Matt, do you have a question or an answer? Go ahead.
So you write the max amount of electrons?
Yes.
Or always the very last one?
Yes.
23.
Good. This is number 23. This has 23 electrons. Greg, where do the first 2 go?
1s, 2.
Good. We start with 1s2. Next is Kyle Pelletier. Where do the next electrons go? 2s2. Next is Max. Do you know what comes next or no?
Yes. 2p6.
Yep. So same thing. There's our first 10 electrons.
Need to read.
Okay. Sean, do you know what's next?
3
Yeah.
has 6. 2.
And I did write those in on the chart, so you'd have it. The S's all hold up to 2. And Jack, did you have what's next or no?
I think it's
3p6. Okay, so now, Ben, how many electrons do we have now? 18 electrons. What's next this time, Jack? Yeah? After 3p, we get 4s what? Do you know? It's definitely 4s. Very good. Do you know what the number is? 2. Here we had to stop at 19. Now we've got 20 electrons so far. Hank, do you know what comes after the 4s or no? That's okay. Go ahead.
Is it now? 4p4.
Be careful. After the 4s, we've gone here, 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 and here. And what's next?
3D.
The 3D. You'll get used to reading the chart. It's okay. The 3D can hold up to 10 electrons.
So,
No.
3d4.
Nope. Check your math.
3D3.
3D3. Very good. Very good. Okay. Why don't you stop there?